Alright, so today we're going to talk about adding unlike denominators. So one method that you might want to use for adding unlike denominators is the butterfly method. So here's an example of how we use the butterfly method. So we're going to add 1/3 plus 2/5. So you start out and you make an X, which forms a butterfly eventually, and you say 5 times 1. You bring that answer up to its antenna. 5 times 1 is 5. Then you say 3 times 2 is 6. And then you come down here and we have a tail. The butterfly's tail or bottom, you multiply 3 times 5 and you get 15. So to find the answer, now we have to use the bottom answer. 3 times 5 is going to be our denominator. And then adding the antennas, 5 plus 4 is going to be our numerator. So as it says again, always simplify. We cannot simplify 11 over 15. So let's try on our own and let's show you how you would draw the butterfly. So we're going to add 4/7 plus 1/12. So we're going to start with drawing the first half of the butterfly, circling 4 and 12, and then circling 1 and 7. Alright, so then we have our little antennas. So we say 12 times 4 is 48. Bring up your sign just so you don't forget it. 7 times 1 is 7. So now we have to draw the tail or the bottom of the butterfly, and we say 7 times 12, and we put 7 times 12, which is 84. So the 84 in the tail is going to be our new denominator. And then to get our new numerator, we're going to add 48 and 7, which would give us 55. So our answer is 55 over 84. And again, we would simplify if we could, but on this particular one we can't. So let's try a subtraction one just to show you that subtracting unlike denominators is going to be the same way. So first again, we're going to circle across, draw our antennas, and we say 2 times 3 comes in this antenna. 5 times 1 comes up here. Then we're going to draw our tail. 5 times 2 is 10. Alright, so we're coming over here. Don't forget your sign this time is subtraction. So always write that up there. So our numerator is 10. Our denominator is 10, not numerator. And then our new numerator is 6 minus 5, which is 1. So our answer is going to be 1/10. And again, we can't simplify this. So this is one method that you can use for adding or subtracting fractions with unlike denominators.